Mara is rallying, guys. Congratulations if you are a shareholder. They're up 7.5% right now, and with a very, very bullish positive trend going forward. So we're going to take a look at the technical analysis as well as the short interest and any news that is related to the company. With that being said, before we get into all this information, everybody right now, if you're watching this video, make me one like button richer, smash it, tickle it, touch it, tap it. I don't care what you do, but make it turn blue if you are on a computer. If you are on a mobile device, make it turn black for me. I do greatly appreciate it. Currently, Mara is up over 8.5% today and pretty much started off the day up 1% and has been going straight up ever since, currently at $37.29. If we do take a look to the short interest, it is very low relative to other companies that we follow on this channel. You can see yesterday's short volume ratio was only 17%, so I'm not quite sure. There might be some shorts getting out of their positions, but this is surely not a short squeeze that is going on. Now, the option chain, there might be some increased shares being purchased because of we do have a little bit of volume on the option chain, but nothing too crazy, only a couple hundred. So there's really not much going on the option chain. So I do think this is directly correlating with Bitcoin's rally. And obviously, if you guys don't know, Mara is a Bitcoin mining company, Bitcoin mining play, but Bitcoin is up 4.10% today, 4.09% today. So they are rallying pretty much the same time Mara started to rally. So I do think these are correlating. I mean, Bitcoin has made a $1,500 move since market open today. So I do think they are correlating. I think that has somewhat of an impact as to what is going on right now with Mara. And if we do come to the news, there's not too much news actually about Mara right now. All the news is pretty much old, and there's nothing to really talk about as far as the news. There's nothing that's mainly driving the stock. Even looking at the short volume ratio over time, we were as high as 40. Usually bounce between 25 and 30 on any given day, and now we have been consistently lower since about mid-February. We have been in about this 12 to 20% range. So it's definitely not a short squeeze, even though some shorts may be getting out of their positions, like I said. Now, before we get into this technical analysis, Mara is just straight rallying. They're almost at 10%, guys. I think this could be a 15 to 20% day at this current pace. Now, we will get a plateau of sorts coming in at some time in the near future. I do expect in the next half an hour or hour, we do start to get a plateau and then a rip higher towards the later half of the day. But taking a look at the technical analysis, our key level to watch as of right now is our high April 28th. That was 2 days ago. That is where we topped off and then started to sell off down to $34 a share, but that is the key level to watch, about $37.92 per share. And if we do break this with very positive momentum, this could very well turn into a support level. So I do think this is going to be about a 15 to 20% day when all is said and done. As far as where we need to watch for them when they do come down and start to consolidate, because they will come down and start to consolidate, is this first. You see this stair step like moment right here, this first candle when they started to get all this volume and where it chilled out for a second. This is the level to watch. If Mara can stay above $35.56, then we will be looking very, very good going into the rest of the day and tomorrow. And that is only $2 away. They are currently up almost 10%, not 10.07%. We just passed 10%. So this is absolutely incredible. We are getting some insane volume coming in here. You guys can see this from the chart, but this is not sustainable for the whole day. So we are definitely going to have to chill out at some point, and we are almost at this level that I just pointed out, $37.92. It looks like we are going to break that. Mara is absolutely going crazy. They just hit a high. They flashed for 10.27% up, and they are slowly starting to come down right now, getting a red candle. But you guys just need to be mindful of this $35.50 level. And then if we could pass, like I said, the $37 $92 level and get some bullish momentum, keep that bullish momentum, I should say, going into the rest of the day and tomorrow, we could also see a rally as of tomorrow. Now let's take a quick look at what Bitcoin is doing, because it does look like following Bitcoin's movement. Bitcoin is still flying higher, up 4.5% today, which is a monster move, up $2,400. This is insane, guys. Out of pretty much nowhere, it is starting to fly. Let's see if there's any Bitcoin news, anything in particular that could really be moving the stock. Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Investment bank JP Morgan explains why Ether is outperforming. Feds arrest founder of Bitcoin Mixer, they say, laundered 335 million over 10 years. Turkish court jail suspects. So not very good news, it looks like, as far as Bitcoin crypto. But nevertheless, we are still rallying, so who cares? The market kind of is doing what it wants right now. But let's take a look at Mara again. Mara is up 10.5%. We are crossing this level that we do need to be mindful of, the $37.95 mark. We are crossing it. That is our high for the day, actually. So we did cross this high. We did make a new high. We passed the $39 or $37.72 mark that we need to watch. Currently up 10.45%. So this is going crazy. If you guys are looking to make a trade on this, I would probably wait to get a little bit of a cool off or a sell off. And now, since they went up a little bit, another key level to watch is this $37 mark. If we can stay above this, that will be really, really good. I'm talking about when we do start to chill out, because we will chill out going forward. But this is very, very bullish. We are hitting higher highs this whole market open, and we are open about 45 minutes now. So we have had plenty of time to set the trajectory for this, and it does look very, very good. So just be mindful of this. We are pretty much at the level that we do need to be watching right now. So if you are watching this, I mean, it's gonna cool off at some point. I wouldn't panic or anything. I think this could continue into the next couple of days. So this does look very good. I was going to make a trade on this, but I was not fast enough earlier today. So I am going to wait. If it does fall back down to about the $37 mark, then I will initiate a trade, and I will cover that later on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm going to get out of here. You guys have a safe trading day. Don't go crazy on Mara. Play it small. Be cool. All that good stuff. I will see you later. Peace out.